Grilled vegetable tart, let's go. So we're going to start with puff pastry. So refrigerated or frozen puff pastry at the grocery store tends to be accidentally vegan. So Pepperidge Farm is one of them that is considered vegan. So on the package, it says that if you break your puff pastry, you can put a little water in there and smoosh it back together. So since I want to make a big tart instead of a little one and it comes in 2 pieces, I thought, can we just use the same trick and just kind of smoosh it back together? So that's what I'm doing. And then we're going to do a little border around the edges, a little crimpage action kind of to make it like a pie tart situation going on. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and Pam the top of it. And then I take a fork and just beep, beep, boop, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop. And hopefully that will help from the middle puffing up too much and kind of keep it flat. Cut up some veg, whatever veg y'all want to do. We went to the farmer's market. I got some yellow pepper, zucchini, red onion, tomato. Hello. I Pammed both sides, seasoned both sides with spag, little salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. You don't need to get too crazy. I did want to do this on the outside grill, but it is so freaking hot and humid, you guys. So George Foreman, listen, there's a reason George Foreman exists because that bitch still does an amazing job. I don't care who you are. George Foreman is great. So, okay, we're going to do a cream cheese spread. Just any cream cheese, any vegan cream cheese that you want. We're just going to spread on top. I've never found Follow Your Heart vegan cream cheese for some reason. So I wanted to try that out and I did a horrible job spreading it. So sue me. Who cares? We're going to cover it up with vegetables. But it's actually really delicious. I'm so excited. I love Follow Your Heart. And this is what it looks like. Oh my God, you guys. Look at this. Can we just look? The Follow Your Heart vegan cream cheese was so good. And it was the perfect because it kind of, with the grilled vegetables, got a little melty, but not too melty. We got the crunch of the flaky crust. We've got the grilled vegetable, the grilledness. George Foreman, listen, you think I would be a spokesperson at this point for George Foreman? It's so fucking good. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment, and full written recipe, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Link will be below. 10 out of 10. Love y'all. Bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.